Tun Razak Exchange, TRX, is a major financial district and business hub located in Kuala Lumpur. The development was initiated in 2012 and is expected to be completed in several phases, with the final phase targeted for completion in 2024. TRX is designed to be a world-class financial center and a catalyst for Malaysia's economic growth. It covers an area of 70 acres and includes office buildings, residential properties, retail spaces, and public amenities. The development aims to attract international businesses and investors, as well as create job opportunities and contribute to Malaysia's overall economic development. TRX has faced some controversies, including allegations of corruption and concerns over the impact of the development on the local environment and communities. However, the Malaysian government and the developers have made efforts to address these issues and ensure the sustainability and inclusivity of the project. Overall, TRX has the potential to significantly enhance Malaysia's position as a global financial center and contribute to the country's economic growth, but its success will depend on the effective management and governance of the development. That's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment in order for me to improve. Thank you again for your time and support. Please subscribe, guys. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye from STYFLY Malaysia.